Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What is your baby? Welcome to welcome po sa 20% discount. Lola, mag-isin sa tanak mo.
Years to be. Be right so that the baby of the heart and maybe we'll be happy like a window you will never grow.
But now there's no way to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Sayaw ko lang. Sayaw ko lang. Mamahalin din kita ng tapat. Kahit na ng pagsubok dumating, ipangako mo rin, hindi pa kailangan natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Dito sa aking puso, ikaw ang nag-iisa, ang aking mahal. Wala. Sayang na sayang.
Nakaraang mga taon. And yun lang, enjoy your day and wag mong kalimutang pagdala ng mga handa mo dito sa Manila. Kukunin ko na lang sa bahay nyo. Yan lang, happy birthday ulit.
Manood ka.
Wow.